Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to sync BandLab project across devices. The ability to work seamlessly across the multiple devices is essential. BandLab is designed as a cloud-based platform, which means your project are automatically stored online rather than on the single device. This allows you to start a project on one device and continue editing it on another without manual file transfer. So first open to your browser and make sure to log into your BandLab using the same account on every device. In the top there's an address bar, type down bandlab.com and make sure to log into your account, and this ensures all your work is linked to one cloud profile, and without the same account, synchronization will not occur. And after that, make sure you have saved your project properly. After working on a project, make sure you have saved it, and BandLab automatically uploads syncs your project to the cloud when saved, and unsaved changes will not be on the device as well. And also make sure to enable the internet connection. Since the BandLab device on the cloud storage, make sure device is connected to the internet while saving as well. And over here, you can also access the project on another device by going to library here. You can go to the library project, select your saved project, and it will appear exactly as you left, including the track, edits, and effects. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to sync BandLab project across devices. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.